In this video, I'm going to show you how you are now able to attach multiple page PDFs and also multiple PDFs at the same time into DeepCura. So let's start a new patient. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to attach a series of 10 notes for a patient with diabetes. It's a fake patient. They are all fake notes. And I'm going to instruct it to generate a clinical summary of the given text. Make sure to include at least one direct quote from each HPI in the text. Why am I doing that instruction specifically? That's to show you how you are able to, just for peace of mind, maybe to check that the AI is in fact using the text from your PDFs and it's not hallucinating. So in a second, when it's finished loading, we're going to click on this review transcript and we're just going to do a good old Control F and search for a direct quote that it included in the note. We're going to look for it in the transcript, and that way we make sure that the note that it's generating or the summary is in fact directly related to the text in your PDF, the content that in your PDFs. And you not only can do this for your PDFs, but you can even do it for your patient audios. You can even check the transcript in for your patient audio and look for a direct quote that it inserted into your notes and just make sure that it's both in the transcript and in the notes that it generated for you. And that way you can just make sure that it's not hallucinating if that's something that you are concerned about. So this is one of the quotes that it inserted. So why don't we go ahead and look for it in the transcript. Fatigue despite adequate rest. We're going to hit Control F and enter. And we're going to look for it in the transcript, and there it is, as you can see here. So we can prove that in that way. And there you have it. You can now attach multiple PDFs and multiple page PDFs. So you can do different things with them, maybe insert some labs into your patient's note. Maybe you have a really long PDF of medical records for your patient and you just want to transcribe them and save them into DeepCura. The possibilities are endless. It just depends on your needs. Now, as a last note, one thing you should know about attaching PDFs in DeepCura is when you're prompting it, maybe asking it for a summary, don't use words like PDF. Don't say generate a summary for the attached PDFs, because then you might get some errors. So instead of that, use wording like text or medical records or information or anything more ambiguous, more like that. But stay away from using the word PDF. And the last thing you should know is that there's no specific limit to the amount of PDFs that you can attach or the length of them. However, just keep in mind that the more complex you make it, the more the AI is going to struggle in giving you the results that you want. So do some tests. If you're going to give it something really complex, be patient with it. Learn to really talk to it so it understands what you need. And yeah, just keep that in mind. The more complex the task, obviously, the AI is going to struggle a little bit more.